Hello everyone. So in last time's video we saw how we can set up our ID. So once our ID is set up, you can simply come to this place and then like install Microsoft Teams app from in your desktop or your mobile. And right now I'm showing you the desktop version. So if you are using a mobile version, the view is pretty much same. Of course, it's on a small screen, and the option that you are seeing right now in the left pane will pop up in the lower button. Okay, so that being said, let's quickly see what we can do in Teams. So first thing, as you can see, just besides the minimization button, you will see a uh, your name icon. So if you tap on that, you can change your you can change your account details. Like I can change my pictures, or I can set up my statuses, or there are a few other things that I can do. So for example, if I'm having trouble viewing this, I can zoom in and then see that um, zoomed version, and like there are other few things. So I don't think that would be much important for you guys, so I'll simply run you through what these site tabs do. So first thing is you see this activity pane. So in activity pane is like kind of your notification. Okay, so for example, I just got a homework that is due tomorrow, so I have got a notification for that. And if I have been added to a class, if some of my friend mentions me in some of the group chats or anything, the notification will just pop up here. So that's it. So it's kind of a notification. And then there's this field called chat. So chat field is basically a direct message system. So you have been using Viber, or say for example Messenger for Facebook, and then there's a DM for Insta, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever you use. So chat is kind of DM for your teams. So if you want to talk to someone personally, you can simply search for their name and send them a message, and that's it. So that's done. So again, like for you guys, if you want to have a group for your project or anything, you can do it from here. Okay, please do not create any groups within the teams. So that being said, now let's talk about teams. So teams is kind of your classroom. So as you can see, there are multiple classes here. I have currently taken an example of grade 7A student. So as you can see, all the classes that he or she is in can be listed here. So if you are not able to find any class, or if your teacher hasn't provided, so what to do if your teacher have provided you with the code. So in that case, you can simply click on join or create a team, and then you will have this option to input your code. So if your teacher has provided you with a code, you can simply input that code here and join the class. Okay, so yeah, that's being said, teams is a collective place of all your classes. So whatever class you want to view, you can open it and view. And right now you might note that for math, for LA, and for PE, GK, OBT, and computer, the classes comes in highlight, where other classes are in normal font. So that is because there is some activity happening in this class. If there's an activity that I haven't gone through, that would be there. So for example, if I open my OBT class, so yeah, recently Anta ma'am created a schedule my classes, and then some of your friends have been talking here. So that is where there was a notification. So once I see that notification, it turns back into the normal font. So that's it. So if you that just make sure that if you have your classes. And one more thing is, like, you will find a class especially for 6, 7, and 10 class student, or even for 8, 9 student, you will find a class named grade, and your grade and section, and it is highlighted with a globe symbol. So this is a global account. So this is not concerned with any of your classes. If you have any problems in your teams, if you have having any issues with your account or anything, you can simply open this class and then share your problem, and someone from the class will help you, or your teachers will come up with a solution for you. Okay, so if you have any general queries that is not related to your class, and that's still something that you want to discuss with your teachers and friends, you can use this chat, or else just let it be. So yeah, that's it. So this is your classes. Now let's talk about assignment first. So how do I do my assignments? So there are two ways to find your assignments and do them. So first thing is, once I open my class, you can see there's a class chat ongoing, and then there's this assignment tab. So in mobile also you'll find in the similar fashion, which will be in the lower button. So I click on my assignments, and once I do that, I can see all the assignments that are due. So if I have completed my assignment, there will be completed sign, and if I have any due assignments, that's here. So currently I have this assignment due for 11:59, so tomorrow 11:49. So this is the one way to do assignment. You open every class, click on the assignment tab and see your assignment. Another simpler way is you simply go to assignments. So right now I just opened the assignment, so it doesn't shows up here, but if I have any assignment that I haven't viewed so far, it will highlight here. Okay, so I know I have assignment in computer, so I'll open that, click on next, and once I click on the assignment, so I get the instruction. What is the instruction? How to do this homework? So this is test assignment, and it just wants me to upload my class, and then this is 10-point possible assignment. So if I score full marks, I'll get 10 points. And now to upload my homework, I'll simply click on add work, and once I do that, I'll get option to either upload from OneDrive or from my device. So right, there is no any files in our OneDrive at the moment, so I'll just upload one from my devices. So let me go to my downloads. Sorry. So let me just include this certificate over here. So I'll open this, and then it's uploading. Let me wait for a moment, and once it's done, I'll just click on done, and then it's done. So the homework is already done, and just for my reference, I'll turn in so that I know that I have submitted the homework. So I will turn on the homework, and done. Oh wow, a flying unicorn, I didn't knew that. Okay, so yeah, my homework is done. I don't have any assignment remaining, so it might take a bit. Yeah, so yeah, I have no remaining homeworks at all. So this is how you do your assignments. Okay, that's pretty simple. So what about your classes? How do you join your class? So for joining your class, again there are two options. One is you go to your teams, you open your class, and then whenever the class is ongoing, as I said, instead of a meet option here, you will find join class option. Okay, somewhere in this upper corner, upper right region, you will find join class option, and you can join that. Like, and then another thing is, say for example, I'll just open OBD for a moment. So another thing is, if you have this a schedule ongoing there, you will find a join option right here from the schedule as well. So again, for those who doesn't want to like open each class and then see which class do you have, all those details, you can simply go to calendar. Okay, so once I go to calendar, as you can see, I have class tomorrow from 9 to 10 of social, from uh, 10:15 to 11:15 of OBT, and on Tuesdays I have of computer classes. So as I said, whenever the class is on, I will find a join class option, and I can simply click that to join. Okay, and another thing, again, this is not mandatory but an optional thing. So say for example, as you can see, for computer and for test class I can see a solid line, but for social and OBT I can see stripe line. So that is, I'm not getting a notification for that. So what I can do is, once I open the meeting, I can click on response. I'll respond to the series because this is the meeting happening in every week, so I'll respond to series, and what I want to respond, I want to respond accept. So if I accept the class, what happens is, as you can see, now this is in the solid line, and now every time the class starts, or every 15 minutes before the class, I'll get a notification. If I have a mobile device, or if I'm logged into my app, I'll just get a notification here in the lower right region saying that my class has started or my class is about to start, and that way you won't have to worry about missing your class. And as I said, once class starts, so I'll just quickly show you what happens. So once I click on the class, I will find the join option, right? So when the class has started, if I click on join, I'll have options to turn on my videos, mic, pretty much as the Zoom is. So once everything is set, I'll join now, and as I said, this class hasn't started, so when the class starts, I'll let you know. Okay, so this class is set for 2, and it's just like 1 p.m. right now, so this class hasn't started, so I'll just have to wait for that. Okay, so but once your class is started, your teacher whenever lets you in, you will directly be in class. You don't have to click any link or put any codes or do anything for your account like you had to do in Zoom. So that's it, that's a simple. So Again, as I said, for classes you can actually go into class and do your assignments or join a class. Or simple stuff is, for assignment you come to assignment, and then whenever there is a homework there will be a highlight, you can click on that and then submit the assignment. Or for joining a class you can click on calendar, and whichever class is happening, like right now it's a 1 p.m, so there's an orange mark in 1 p.m mark, so this mark will come down, and whenever there's a class I'll get the join class option and I can do that. And as I said, for every assignment happening there, every class is happening there, you will be getting notification, so you can actually access them directly from the notification panel as well. So that's it guys. If you have any problems, if you come through any issues, you can simply send a message to me or Dipti ma'am or your class teacher, and we'll help you guys out. Have a nice day. Bye bye.